Oh, Bernard.
What's that you're doing? It's making.
Yeah.
Can you keep hold of this because we're making a video to put on YouTube.
What do you want me to video?
We're just making a video first. And we're putting it on. And
Video, Maggie.
Dad, we were putting that
Does Jackson remind you of Mr. Bean a little bit?
light up that panel.
Where ya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is that okay for us?
Where is it?
It's going to be beside your PlayStation.
Well, I'm just thinking maybe the other side.
Nah.